Imagine waking up one day and the internet is completely gone. No Google, no social media, no online banking. Businesses crash, communication fails, chaos spreads. Could we survive without the internet? Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal how you can prepare for a possible internet shutdown. Like this video if you use the internet every single day. Here's what happens in the first few minutes. Communication fails, no emails, social media, or instant messaging. Businesses freeze. Online stores, stock markets, and financial transactions suddenly stop. Navigation goes offline. No Google Maps, Uber, or GPS navigation. Over 60% of global financial transactions depend on the internet. Without it, banks wouldn't function. Like this video if you rely on the internet for work. What happens in the first day? ATMs stop working. Credit cards become useless, and cash runs out fast. Grocery stores struggle. Most stores depend on online inventory systems. Stock market crash. With no trading, global economies enter a full-blown financial crisis. $5.4 trillion worth of online transactions happen every day. Without the internet, that wealth disappears overnight. Comment below. Could you survive one day without the internet? Like this video if you think the world depends too much on technology. Here's what happens within a week. Government systems struggle. Emergency services lose access to real-time data. International trade collapses. Supply chains fail, leading to food and medicine shortages. Media blackout. No live news updates. Misinformation spreads quickly. Most emergency response systems rely on real-time internet access. Without it, disaster response slows down dramatically. Like this video, if you'd stock up on emergency supplies, just in case. How would we survive a month without internet? Cash economy returns. Physical money becomes valuable again. Offline communication rises. People rely on radio, newspapers, and in-person networking. Local businesses boom. Small, local stores thrive as big corporations struggle without online sales. Governments and companies might set up emergency satellite networks to rebuild global communication. Like this video if you think we should have a backup system for the internet. What if the internet never came back? Society restructures. New systems for banking, communication, and education develop. AI and automation halt. Many industries would stop innovating. Return of traditional skills. People learn to live without digital dependency. Some tech experts warn that solar storms or cyber attacks could wipe out parts of the internet in the future. Like this video if you think people are too dependent on digital technology. What do you do right now? Have a cash reserve. If digital banking fails, cash will be your best backup. Print important information. Maps, contacts, and offline instructions can be life-saving. Learn offline skills. Reading, writing, and survival skills become crucial. Consider satellite tech. Starlink and other emergency internet alternatives could be the future. Like this video if you think people should prepare for an internet shutdown. Could you survive without the internet? Drop a comment below. Want more future scenario videos? Like this video if you found it interesting. Subscribe for weekly tech and survival insights. Share this with a friend who would panic without Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos for more tech breakdowns, futuristic scenarios, and survival strategies. And I'll see you next time on Health and Tech TV.